Question: which one is an adjective? Answer: basic. Question: jealousy is. Answer: noun. Question: the word empower is a/n. Answer: verb. Question: their friendly behavior pleased to guest. Here friendly is. Answer: an adjective. Question: the word neutral is. Answer: adjective. Question: salt is a. Answer: material noun. Question: I saw a dash of cows in the field. Answer: herd. Herd. Question: Dhaka is a big city. Respectively, Dhaka and city are. Answer: proper noun and common noun. Question: I have dash money. Answer: much. Question: noun can be modified with. Answer: adjective. Question: uncountable noun can be modified with. Answer: much. Question: only one dash has been lost. Answer: datum. Question: there is no plural form of. Answer: material noun. Question: which one is not a feminine gender? Answer: colt. Question: a dog fell and broke one of dash. Answer: its. Question: subject always be. Answer: noun or pronoun. Question: one should do dash duty. Answer: once. Question: the Titanic could save dash. Answer: herself. Question: there were 3 books dash stolen. Answer: there were. Question: the mother rose in her and dash made her take the baby in her lap. Answer: it. Question: the jury is unanimous in dash opinion. Answer: its. Question: I love her because her love is pure. Respectively, here first her and second her is. Answer: verb and noun. Question: dash who work hard can prosper in life. Answer: those. Question: advice advice is. Advice is respectively. Answer: verb and noun. Question: I water in my garden. Here water is. Answer: verb. Question: the bridge dash recently for the railroad has been found faulty. Answer: constructed. Question: he writes a letter. In this sentence, writes is a. Answer: transitive verb. Question: he sleeps early. Here sleeps is a. Answer: intransitive verb. Question: He passed a dash order. Answer written. Question. He became a doctor. Here became is. Answer linking verb. Question. The boy went mad. Here mad is. Answer linking verb. Question. আমি তোমাকে খাওয়াই এর অনুবাদ. Answer I feed you. Question. Noun originated from verb with ing is called. Answer gerund. Question. He found parking was difficult. Here parking is. Answer gerund. Question. Which of the following types of a verb itself can complete a sentence? Answer intransitive verb. Question. By working hard you can prosper in life. Here working is a. Answer gerund. Question. The offer is alluring. Here alluring is a. Answer participle. Question. The nightingale is a singing bird. Here singing is a. Answer participle. Question. He went away dancing. Here dancing is a. Answer present participle. Question. I read something to read in order not to be bored. Here bored is a. Answer past participle. There were dash reaction after the budget was passed. Answer mixed. Question. Jamal likes gardening. Here gardening is a. Answer gerund. Question. Which one of the following is a correct sentence? Answer. The young man sitting there is happy. Question. Mother laughs with us. Here laughs is a. Answer intransitive verb. Question. Going to London, he will study a lot to shine in life. There are dash non-finite verb in this sentence. Answer 2. Dash and dash can be used as subject. Answer gerund and infinitive. Question. Which verb follows the structure of tense? Answer finite verb. Question. যত দ্রুত সম্ভব আমি বক্তা হতে চাই এর অনুবাদ. Answer I want to be a speaker as soon as possible. Question. Don't run in the sun. Here run is. Answer both A and C. Question. Verb plus ing can be used as dash. Answer all of above. Question. আমার কাজটি করা উচিত ছিল. Translate the sentence. Answer I should have done the work. Question. শিয়াল যে কোনোভাবেই হোক ফাঁদ থেকে পালাতে পারল. Translate the sentence. Answer fox anyhow to escape from the trap. Question. The lawyer dash the clients. Answer acts for. Question. His theory does not dash his subject. Answer bear on. Question. Dash the user's opinions and needs BCS Live MCQ always tried to improve the quality of its service. Answer: emphasizing on. Question: he has dashed the book. Answer: gone through. Question: the wounded man dashed to hospital. Answer: was carried away. Question: falling in a danger, they called dash help. Answer: out for. Question: unless you study a lot, you cannot dash your 1 year study gap. Answer: make up for. Question: you should put dash at least 30 minutes every day to memorize vocabulary. Answer: asides. Question: which one is not a phrasal verb? Answer: A and B. Question: stop unnecessary spending or you will dash heavy debt. Answer: run into. Question: the judge dash logical object regularly. Answer: sit down. Question: instead of conceal, we can use. Answer: keep back. Question: like coronavirus and hantavirus appeared in this year, scientists abused that several new diseases might dash in the recent year. Answer: come up. Question: I promise to see the report dash. Answer: through. Question: modal auxiliary is used to express dash. Answer: mood. Question: dash is used to express possibility. Answer: may. Question: which modal highly emphasizes on an action and task? Answer: must. Question: if you had gone, I dash with you. Answer: would have gone. Question: I dash read book then sleep. Answer: would rather. Question: বাল্যকালে আমি ফুটবল খেলতাম. Translate the sentence. Answer: I used to play football in my boyhood. Question: I had better dash now. Answer: leave. Question: past form of must is. Answer: must. Question: I dash eating sugar. Answer: cannot help. Question: he behaved with us dash we had been his servants. Answer: as if. Question: dash I missed the train. Answer: what if. Question: I would help you dash you kept your promise. Answer: provided. Question: when verb plus ing acts as an adjective, it is called dash. Answer: participle. Question: I will go for a walk because the walking man is calling me. Here, walk and walking is respectively. Answer: noun and adjective. question: দাগের উপরের অংশে লিখবে না. Translate the sentence. Answer. Don't write above the line. Question. To be a well-educated person, you have to read newspapers and magazine dash textbook. Answer. Besides. Question. SAARC is a treaty dash 8 countries. Answer. Between. Question. I have been working dash 3 hours. Answer. 4. Question. I believe he is right dash his advice seems strange. Answer. Yet. Question. He teaches us amazingly well. Here, amazingly and well are respectively. Answer. Adverb and adverb. Question. He is good enough to perform the task. Here, enough is. Answer. Adverb. Question. This is my book. Here, the my is. Answer. Adjective. Question. Each teacher has an important role in the student life. Here, each is. Answer. Distributive adjective. Question. Some, several, many, few. These words are. Answer. Indefinite adjective. Question. Which book do you read? Here, which is. Answer. Interrogative adjective. Question. What are the questions that adverb can answer? Answer. When, where, how, why. Question. Adverb can modify. Answer. All parts of speech except noun and pronoun. Question. My friend hardly works in midnight. Here, hardly means. Answer. Almost never. Question. He performed dash in the competition. Answer. Badly. Question. I will stand before him. Here, before is. Answer. Preposition. Question. He did not attend the function for he was ill. Here, for is. Answer. Conjunction. Question. May I come in, sir? Here, in is. Answer. Adverb. Question. Dash all the teachers. Dr. Tanvir is the best. Answer. Of. Question. It is dash expensive to buy. Answer. To.